Hani Mehana, an agricultural engineer with Egypt's National Research Center, has 23 years of experience in agricultural engineering. He became an engineer at the Yellow River Delta Intelligent Agricultural Machinery Equipment Industry Research Academy after arriving in Dongyin City of East China's Shandong province in 2023. With the help of Chinese colleagues, the Egyptian engineer has completed his first agricultural equipment modification for saline alkaline land exploitation.
I woke up normally at 7:30, then go to my office, then start to do the design of some machines like peanut harvester and garlic and onion poster harvesting machine. It's hard to design actually machines. But with the cooperation and help of the Dean of Yardia, my institute here, and the Chinese teamwork, I am doing well. So this is mower for land preparation for the new crop cultivation. And this mower just made by the teamwork here, which one of them just make it on SolidWorks as a drawing and then manufactured. As you see, we did it for to be suitable for saline alkali soil here because it needs a special treatment.
China's Yellow River Delta has around 7 million mu of saline alkaline land in Shandong, while most of Egypt's territory remains desert. Modern agricultural machinery and technologies are needed to improve agricultural production on both kinds of barren soils. Highlighting the importance of cooperation between the two countries and the potential to use Chinese technology for sustainable agriculture in Africa, Mehana said that the Belt and Road Initiative provides a new path for win-win cooperation.
The Belt and Road Initiative is a very good strategy, so it will be a win-win example as a no-cement for all the Chinese technology in our countries in a practical way. Also to know well what is the Chinese farming technology now in a practical way. Also to establish a Chinese farm machinery service stations in Egypt and in other African countries.